Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. Well, today what I would like to share with you guys is I am working on putting some crochet stitches out there for you guys. And a lot of them are pretty common, and I hope that some of them will be new to you. So that we can all learn together how to do all these neat crochet stitches that are out there. So one of them is, I've already done this one, clusters over easy. And the wide half double crochet. And the one that's going out this week is, it's called the middle bar half double crochet, but it's also called the camel stick. This one will be coming out, I have it scheduled for Thursday. So that's what I have right now, you know, besides the simple double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, you know, those type of things. I have those out as well. So I do have a playlist on crochet stitches. So just click on that playlist and click on that weekly, because I do plan on putting them out weekly as much as possible for you guys. Because like I said, I'm learning as well. So let's just all learn together, right? All right, the other thing is I've been working on the shawl that I plan on, the summer shawl I plan on putting out this summer, but, or in a couple weeks. But the thing is, I was trying to do it with this Premier bobbin because it's a thin 4-weight yarn, but it's a little too thick still. It's not quite thin enough. But this will be a shawl or a wrap, however you want to call it. It's not the triangle shawl. So that's what I'm working on. Right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try, this is a yarn bee, it should be a 3-weight. I'm going to try using this yarn. But I have a feeling that it being variegated like this, that it may not show the stitches off as well. So I've got it over there. I'm fixing to test that with this yarn. If not, I'll just try to find me a solid 3-weight yarn. I'm sure I've got some, so. But I really thought this color was pretty and springy. So we'll see. All right, guys. So the other thing is you saw my Hobie Bingo yarn video yesterday, which that was so cool to make. So I am working on the elephant pillow. Apparently I didn't order enough yarn in the pink. So let me show you what my plan is for that. Okay guys, so I started on the ear, and this is all the yarn I have left. So I need another skein of it. I guess I underestimated how much yarn it's going to take. So instead of having this color bow, what we're going to do is have a white bow in her hair, and or on her head, whatever. And the ears are going to be the gray, the big twist, soft gray. I think it's a medium 4-weight yarn. So this will be the ears. And here's our nose. I think it goes like that. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed, but it's not like I can just run down the store and grab another skein of that, you know. So anyway, that's what we're going to go with, is gray ears. Okay, guys, that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. So, yeah, I think it's going to be cool. I'm even thinking about possibly changing the ears up to where there'll be a little bit of the pink and the gray, like maybe make the ears a little striped type thing. Do something like that, incorporate some of that pink in the gray. Or that's my plan. So I'm going to see about that. Okay, let's see. What else do I have? Well, let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. He is real. His divine power has given us everything we need for a godly life through our knowledge of Him who called us by His own glory and goodness. Through these, He has given us His very great and precious promises. 2 Peter 1, 3, and 4. The test for authenticity is often measured by applying some kind of force or foreign substance to that which is being tested. Determining whether something is made of real gold can be accomplished in a number of ways. Perhaps the most simple is by rubbing the gold on an unglazed ceramic plate. The color of the mark left on the plate determines the authenticity of the gold. Real gold will leave a gold mark. Fake gold will leave a black mark. You can see the analogy, can't you? At some times in our lives, we will undergo an authenticity test. We might be put through several daily. What mark will we leave when we encounter those tests? When we brush up against difficulty? If we are authentic Christians, the mark we'll leave will be gold, the true mark of Christ. God, you are real and you are good. You have given us an example of how to remain authentic in a world full of fraud and deception. Thank you for your great and precious promises. I press on in your strength today. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I love it. It's really good today. Let's see. Well, that's really all I have. Tomorrow is Whip Caddy Wednesday. You guys, I saw on Facebook that some of you are submitting your whip cards. So get those in, ladies. Get those whip cards in. And gentlemen, there's guys too. Get those cards in. Show us what you've got, your whip space. Not just cards, but your whip space. Tomorrow will be a regular day for me. So I'll be able to, I was thinking I was going to have to go somewhere early and my whip cart video might be a little late, but it's not. I'm confusing my Wednesday with my Thursday. So anyway, well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this. I've enjoyed putting this all together for you. And yeah, I really hope the elephant pillow comes out nice. So anyway, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.